It's not personal that I'm attacking people personally, but I think that there are some state institutions or more down or no, I don't think that they have the requisite experience with a PMMC. What I say, this is a very
critical. I know Akwaba and Foumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so what frame Ajua searching. Ebusiafo nipa ya okase or the ensem way etudwa ewo efia pokia ni show a what ne din jaso aoye ewo okay FM. Na ne guest bako ena ochre say he doesn't think far, he does not think madness. Ne ya support ne say ya ochre say just Sammy Gyamfi position na wode ama no NDC party ni mu no odwemu a wonte ase. Na a country like Ghana, Ghana ne nyoma iketu Ghana no enyo Mike to SSS Sammy Gyamfi no mde ne kwoto sa position ya no from communication member to communication director or say officer omude na officer na mewa today PMMC papa so ntiase na ebusuafo 2024 yekoto abama NDC omobai His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Winnie starting the appointment ba ko beto edwa Ghana for Kasafan Sammy Gyamfi de no Aomo HRS His Excellency John Dramani Mahama HRS onkoye acting managing director of precious mineral marketing company our the PMMC Sammy Gyamfi enkoda ho onkoye acting manager Ghana for semana Sammy Gyamfi endra Sammy Gyamfi brace on tiase na de yenso ye pese ye kan se bra Sammy na nsen wo se ma betu dwa wo so fridge na wo kondwa wo se san wo office wo de ho kan nya kaketoa mo na mo ba mo abeti ora ta tenkrofo ye pese ye den san na kusua na snap ma podua se wo fa 10 pesos impo mfi ho a Ghana politicians mo na mo ya kronfo I more say sometimes I say more NDC for act say NPP for akro. NDC for mu wi Ghana skada. Mo say ye mamu snap no kusua na mu bru mu hundua. Say nye na ya be ye di Ghana 10 pesos impo apart from ye pay si ye Ghana 10 pesos cry ye wu. Mo etumi aye. Kamu na mo besa. In time of 2024 mra na mu na mo asa. Mo ya so kwa didi wa neska no ho say enya de ye sabeka. Politics na more yem pese mu NPP for when omweni mase NPP for so nyame ya do na power be come on sa omo so begu mwani mase ye hu mon tricks ni na munda na mo kire no yenti nse me call so
to high people. That's a good question for journalists to find out. But it could have even been discussed at the transition level. Nobody even knows. So those are the facts that we need instead of trying to paint somebody black just to score cheap political points.
Okay, but just before the communication man forced to join it, do you think with just 1 month of NDC in power and just 1 month of more MPP for in opposition, is NDC on track? Because so far the president 120 days, he seemed to be on track. Also by appointing the ministers. I think almost ministers think they were we are. Just people are disappointed. So more position. So more if some 60 ministers on the So all of a sudden we are young boy, I bet they be more panic. I said, I don't want friend. I'm saying, I don't 60. I bet they be real lobby. And I say, who flyers now? Yes, I found your institution. We are there, so no relocation, reappointment. Yeah, they don't go another place. Permutation to also. So 1 month. Do you think President Mama is on track?
As and that's what I was going to start from. Relocation, reappointment, 24-hour appointments. What I said, it shows you something. Say, was there any thought process in appointing these people? Could you be called this agency? Now, once 24 hours, the person is not competent. No, was there a thought process? I appear that things are being done in a rush because they've seen the reality. Trust me, Sammy say, opposition. Never been no manka. Go for oil, you buy, you became. We are going to continue it. What you say? What is opposition? Oh, and Ghana, dear, we are a spiritual nation. You buy a game, since you buy a different story altogether. Now they are singing from a different hymn book.
Bill now expire.
Bill now expire. But you see, but I'm giving you instances. What you say? Trying to build our reserves, backing our economy with gold. That's one of the brilliant things that we've done. No matter more opposition. Oh, that wasn't good. They said, they are going for it. What I say? All the things that they said that they were going to cancel. No, may try and say I'm cancel e-levy. I'm cancel betting tax. all those things haven't been done. Which appointments some years 24-hour appointments some year. There's a lot of confusion going on. Obia and Pegana, but we want Mahama to succeed. I said, we'll win power through the failures of Mahama, win power because Ghanaians will be able to compare after 8 years. Yes, MPP for buy and yeah, mistakes there. But I did say no to me, yeah. But they will compare us to NDC. So that I don't have any problem at all. But when you must start with 24-hour appointments, I don't think they're on track. He's done something good. He's been able to reduce the amount of ministers. That is good in a sense. But I have a question on the appointments. It's not personal. Like I'm attacking people personally. But I think that there are some state institutions, or more down or no, I don't think that they have the requisite experience. With a PMMC. What I say, this is a very critical.
Sammy Gyamfi.
This is a very critical. Sammy Gyamfi is very good in what he does, communication here. But this is a very critical state institution. You need somebody with a lot of experience, law experience. But that is because you're managing the state resources. But I think Sammy Gyamfi could have been allocated to a different ministry where he could have done a better job. But I think where he is, maybe the president knows something that I don't know. Now, those are the little things that I have a problem with since some of these positions. 24-hour CUs, because I'm going to do what the laptop. He doesn't even have any idea.
PMMC was also a lawyer like Sammy Gyamfi. He didn't have any
he had 10 years. He was a deputy. He had over 10 years of experience. He had practiced law. Yes. No, he was a deputy. PMMC. Go and check. Okay. Yes, he had over 10 years of experience in that institution. Okay. That is the caliber of people that we need. You don't sorry communication. PMMC. That is the problem that I have with these appointments. What I say, but in principle, reducing government budget is good. Don't get me wrong. Because you say near about one budget V8 I wish we come on between, but you're basically reducing government expenditures. So that I'll give that to him. But we've not seen any of the policies or cards over here. Maybe it might be too early. In my opinion, exactly. In my opinion, they're 1 year. Yeah, they're 1 year. At the right time, we'll come and evaluate. You're the time. No more fun. Then in a year by this time, we can sit down and have a very good critical analysis of the performance of the NDC.
Okay. But more so, Prophet Obama, more so MPP, more 1 month in opposition. Say the confusion here will catch NDC, but it appears that confusion because right now almost everybody is talking in MPP. What is happening? Do you have a central system?
I see it twofold. I'm sorry. I see it twofold. Mm-hmm. There is a party discussion that is going on where people are looking for reforms, and you are hearing all these, I can't call it noise going on. People saying that we need this change, and also there's a positive development in Parliament where the micro minority is now becoming the majority. Because majority number one community mean kasa. So the micro minority is actually spearheading our national agenda. So for me, I'm happy what that is going on because that was a concern. But these people are showing they are bringing the spirit of the JB Danquest, the Rochers back. They are holding the NDC to their feet in Parliament. And for me, that is critical. Because it will help us in the long run. But the noise going on within the party, that is something that when we see elections, was a monumental loss. So it's expected that a lot of people are going to come out and say all these things. I want to encourage people to be able to use your 4-hour coin. So I'm going to calm it down. If you have the committee, hopefully the committee will come with their recommendations. Then we'll be able to implement and rebrand the party. But since the holiday, there's too much noise going on. But I think our parliament is doing a yeoman's job.